Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot deal properties for better reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open HubSpot and log into your account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. Select deals to access your deals pipeline. Click on the settings icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. In the settings menu, locate and click on properties on the left sidebar. Next, find the Deal Properties tab, and click on it to view your current properties. Here, you'll see default deal properties already set up by HubSpot. To customize these, click on the Create Property button. Enter a name for your new property. Choose a descriptive label that reflects what this property measures. Select the type of field you want to create, such as a drop-down, checkbox, or number field. After that, configure any additional options such as default values or help texts. Once everything is set, click the Create button to finalize your new property. Return to the Deals view and select a deal to edit. Find the new property you created in the Deals information area. Populate it with relevant data to make reporting more effective. To ensure accuracy, agree on standardized values with your team for each property type. Next, utilize the Filters option to segment your deals based on the properties you configured. Create custom views to see how different properties impact your sales pipeline. Run reports using the Reports tool in HubSpot to visualize your data trends. Regularly review and update your deal properties as your business needs evolve. Encourage team members to provide feedback to improve property configurations. Integrating these properties effectively will enhance your reporting capabilities. Utilize insights gained from reports to refine your sales strategies continually. Remember to document your processes for future reference and team alignment. With these steps, you'll achieve better deal tracking and more insightful reporting in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.